Oh, you have to go do wardrobe?
No.
I gotta have makeup and wardrobe.
Yeah. You're looking for fit for expedition? You found him.
Hey, this is Greg with Fit for Expedition, Fun Seekers, and we are in the Coconino Forest hanging out with some good friends, camping. We're right in the beginning of September 2022, and we're with Roy and Becky. Show me how you make a meal. What you got your setup for cooking? Right there it is. All right, thank you, and you guys having a great day. Okay.
Of course, we got propane.
Okay.
Which we have an oven down there that goes on the propane.
Oh, that's cool. And is that one of those fold-up ones?
Yep. That thing worked great too.
Does it really?
Yeah.
Okay. We're interested in that.
What else we got? Oh, of course we got propane in the rig too.
Okay.
But out here, this is what everybody likes.
Yeah.
But this is what we got for the fire. This is our water heater. We don't really drink out of this one because we don't need that much water. But this is what we heat up to keep our pots and pans clean out here.
Okay.
But my blacksmith made this for me a couple years ago for reenacting. Sadly, he just passed on.
So for reenacting. So when you're saying reenacting,
just history. Civil War, pre-1840s, mountain man, stuff like that. But we brought it with us out on the road, and this is what we use.
It's cool. So you just use a sledge and drive this in the ground and.
Yep. This is the first one he made me.
Okay.
But this one wasn't tall enough, so I had to make. This is custom made for me.
So now this is kind of a rack just to store stuff. What before you use it on the fire?
Yeah. Now it is. And then this one, I made this rack, and then we take the Blackstone top and put on it.
And it fits right in there.
Yep, and it locks into place too.
That's pretty cool. That just happened to be that way.
Yeah, it's got grease on it right now.
So that grate underneath, what's that from?
That is from Walmart. That's the one you buy from Walmart for like 36 bucks. I took the legs off of it, flipped it over so the hot dogs don't roll off.
Okay.
And then I added these chains to it because I never had him make me the cooking grate for that. I didn't think I needed it.
Okay.
Because we always cooked in the pot.
Gotcha.
And when we got out here on the road, I thought, man, we need a grate because there's free firewood out here.
Yeah, which is amazing that you found. It's amazing you found that much firewood out here.
So we cook as much as we can over the fire to save on propane.
Yeah.
We made beans and ham hocks, and this one the other day we're fixing to make some chili, I think, here soon.
I missed the beans and ham hocks.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Desert Adventures in Arizona got it. But this is from this pot here is from Civil War era.
Wow.
And we use it a lot.
Well made apparently, huh? I mean.
Yeah. We use our pudgy pies a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, those are pretty popular, huh?
And basically cast iron skillets and our Blackstone top.
Yeah. Cool.
So,
and then this is just like regular fireplace stuff, right? I mean,
this is
like from a fireplace kit.
Yeah.
So that's good to have.
You really need longer one though for bigger fires because it gets pretty warm. But this is pretty handy to have. And these are the S hooks that he made. It goes with it.
Cool, man. Those are kind of fancy.
Yeah, I got 30 of them, but I only brought like 10. So we get back to Indiana, I gotta bring the rest of them.
When are you gonna get back to Indiana? You've been out here forever.
I don't know. Hopefully never. But yeah, we like this. We use it as much as possible.
Yeah. Well, that's why I wanted to show people your setup because you got a pretty unique setup.
If we can cook it over wood, we'll cook it over wood before we will propane or electric or anything. Because it always changes. You're always adding to it.
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah.
Always. Like the Blackstone top. We just
right. You just did that.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Hey, I wonder if that'll fit. Throw it on there. Hey, it fit.
Yeah.
We could have put it with cast iron skillet and everything on there, but.
Yeah, you're making a good argument for doing a setup like this for me too.
Nice. My recommendation on this is, okay, this height right here would be great for a fire ring that's in the ground.
Okay. Yeah,
that's why I made him.
But that means you got to have you got to use a shovel and dig a hole and then put the fire pit in.
which a lot of reenactors do, which is why a lot of them have this.
Okay.
But when you go to a state park, or even here, look at that fire ring.
Yeah, it's usually already set up.
Worked.
Yeah.
Yeah, this wouldn't have worked on there.
Yep.
And luckily I thought of that and said, hey man, make me a bigger and taller one.
Yeah.
And with a thicker rod too, because look at this rod.
Okay.
It's fine for this small setup, even with this pot of beans.
Okay.
That would be on there. But because that was such a longer expansion, this size of rod started to bend a little bit from the weight of the pot being
gotcha.
on it. So we went with a thicker rod on it.
Yeah.
But yeah, keep that in mind when you have one made. Go thick and as tall and big as you can.
Can you buy these?
Yeah.
Like it's just store bought? I mean, like online or something?
You can go, a lot of reenactment sites have them.
Okay.
That's where you find them at.
Okay.
Go to a reenactment, anywhere that there's a blacksmith, they usually got these for sale, just sitting around.
Okay.
This one here is usually about 50. I don't know about now with today's prices, but then this one was 50, and this one he let me have for 75.
Wow, that's pretty good deal, I think.
This one would have been 100 to anybody else.
So you're talking about that one right there.
Yeah. We can cook some food now. Alrighty.
So if Roy and Becky invite you to a meetup, you want to show up?
Yeah, we can cook a whole dinner. Thanksgiving dinner, no problem.
All right, cool. Well, thanks for showing us.
Alrighty.